At CSTech we love testing products, doing unboxing and checking out how they really works, but what we love the most is seeing what's inside. So in this video I'll show you what you will find inside this Ubiquiti 2U UPS, so let's get started. Nice to have you back at CSTech Claudio here. So in this video we're gonna make a teardown for this Ubiquiti 2U UPS because first of all we want to see what's inside, and even more we want to confirm something because we notice many YouTubers that hope in the next future software update Ubiquiti will give you possibility to control outputs of this UPS like you do in the PDU Pro. But in order to do that we need to unbox and we need to tear down these products. The first thing you're gonna do is to remove the front cover. The front cover, it's easy removable because it's from plastic and of course has these clips, so basically you pop up from the front. After you remove the front cover, you will remove the battery cover because battery cover will protect the batteries, has 4 screws over here, and once you remove the screws you can easily remove the battery cover. The battery itself looks like this. Basically in this UPS you're gonna find 2 batteries. Each battery has 12 volts, 9 amps. They are connected in series, so in the end you have 24 volts at this connecting point. So this UPS will work in 24 volts. In order to replace the battery, be very sure that the battery are correctly balanced and correct charge on the same level before you connect into this UPS. You can easily replace those batteries with other batteries. For example, we're gonna use these Victron energy batteries. This one has only 8 amps and the original has 9 amps, so if you plan to install these batteries, please expect less time in backup mode because you still miss 1 amp. The battery are very easy replaceable. They are just glue with some tape and put it in this protection cover from plastic. And of course with double tape you can put in the same way factory do when installed into the UPS. The UPS itself, it's a metal box and of course it's full of screws. We removed 20 screws in order to open the bottom case, and we didn't notice any seal over here, so we don't know for sure if we're gonna lose the warranty when open this device, but for you we do that. The purpose of this video was to confirm that in the next future software updates Ubiquiti will give us possibility to control these outputs over here individually, because we notice many users that say, okay, in the next future update maybe Ubiquiti will give us possibility to turn on individually like PDU Pro. And I have a bad news for you. That will be not possible because once we open the UPS we notice that the entire outputs are connected in parallel. So basically you have only one wire that comes from the PCB and of course is connected to this parallel array. So the same thing will happen for surge protection and also for batteries. As you can see, you're gonna find only few relays over here. You have 5 of them. You have 3 that separate the transformer output from the PCB, and of course you have 2 of them. One is going to the surge protection and one is going, I think, to the battery protection. I hope they go in this way. I'm not gonna remove the main board over here because it's glued over here and we have a lot of screw with paint, and I think I'm gonna lose the warranty if I remove the paint from there. In the other hand, the Ubiquiti UPS is very simple. As you can see over here, you have a transformer that receive 24 volts from input and of course have output over here. So you have neutral, phase and earth protection, and of course you have the grounding that is coming from the same transformer, and you have a fan. It's very simple. As you can see, this is the fuse. You have the power button connection over here. You have the surge protection for this output over here, because you have to output 1 GB that give you possibility to connect the network operator over here in order to protect. And even more, you have some protection varistor over here, and of course the earth is connected to the entire case. So basically when something happens, the entire UPS will discharge to the case, and the case, because I think it's connected to the ground somewhere, yes, it's connected to the ground over here, will discharge to the ground. So basically this is what you're gonna see inside of this UPS. You have the fan, you have the switch, you have the network connection over here that connect with your LAN and give information. you have the transformer, you have the FETs over here, and some other electronics. The relays are only for connect and disconnect the whole output. So for those who are hoping in the next future software update that Ubiquiti will give you possibility to connect and disconnect individual port, that will be not possible. I think this was my video for today. I'm gonna put everything back and I'm gonna connect it to my root rack, because my rack is waiting for this device. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, don't hesitate, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and of course, if you have any question, drop in the comment area below, and see you in the next one.